The next module we're going to talk about is one called the GVNext News module. So if I go over to President Mantella's website and I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see here there's a section that says GVNext News, and then it has various articles listed. This is the GVNext News module that's being used. And so anytime an article is published, this news module will automatically create a link to that particular article. So let me show you how to add that to your page. Back here on our CMS, I'm going to click on the link that says Manage Modules, and then I'm going to click on the button here that says New Module. From this drop-down, I'm going to choose GVNext News, and then I can give this a title. So we'll call this CMS 201 News. And then I'm going to click Submit. So now if I scroll over here, you can see we have the CMS 201 News module over here on the left-hand side. So then, once you're into this page here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add in particular tags to the news module. And so what that means is, if you click on this drop-down, you'll see there's this giant list of tags that you can add to your news module. These are tags that are automatically created by University Communications. And so what you would want to do is you would want to find particular tags to add it here. So for example, let's say we want to add accountability. So we select it here and then click Add. Now I can go through and I can add in multiple tags if I want to. And now you see I have built a list for the GVNext News module. So now that we've added these tags, what we want to do now is we want to go and add this particular module to our page. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Content over here on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to find the page that I want to add this to and click on the blue Edit button. And then once this page loads, down here in the bottom right-hand side, I'm going to click on the Modules button. And when this list appears, I'm going to scroll down and find underneath GVNext News, here's the module that we created. So now I've added that into our CMS. And like other things, I can resize this if I want to. Now, if I click on the Edit button, you will see here that I'm brought up and I'm shown different options. So for example, do we want the heading shown? Do we want this shown here, the GVNext News? Then you can also choose how many articles you want to display, 1 through 10. So for this example, let's say 3. Then you can choose if you want to show the descriptions. So the descriptions being this text that you see right here. And then you could also have it show the images if you want to. So you could have the images shown next to the article. So you can have those show or hide. So once we're done, we're going to click on Save Changes. And now let's click on the Preview Draft button at the bottom and take a look at what the module looks like on our page. And so there it is. You can see we've got the CMS 201 News module. We've got the pictures being shown. And then we have the descriptions beneath the article headline there. So now anytime that University Communications releases a news article where it's using the particular tags that we've inputted, this module will automatically be updated to include that article. So now if we go back to the GVNext News module over here on the left-hand side, and you see we've added in all these tags. If you do have any questions about the particular tags in here, or perhaps having your own added, or just any questions about how these are generated, your best contact is going to be somebody in University Communications.